Welcome to day 2 of our journey of transformation. Let's stretch and practice balancing today. We're going to begin. Put your arms out front and just gently, one arm at a time, begin to reach back. Very gentle, low impact movements today, but we're going to do it with incredible focus, intention, and attention. Breathe into one side, out to the other. You can bend your knees ever so slightly when you come back to the middle. Just wake up our bodies as we continue on this beautiful journey of transformation. If there's something that you're working on for the next 40 days, I invite you to replace maybe that habit or that thing you're doing that you're just giving too much attention to, that you know is maybe depleting you or taking some of your energy. For me, as I water fast, I make sure that I have some sparkling water nearby, some herbal teas. As I try to break free from scrolling and consuming short form content, I make sure I have a book with me at all times. So when I get that temptation, I can go to my book rather than my phone. Now, let's go both arms. Squat down just ever so gently. Breathe in and exhale. Breathe in and out. So the idea is we're not punishing ourselves. We're taking something that maybe doesn't nourish us, and replacing it with something that does. Oh. Beautiful. Now, let's bring our hands together. We're going to come up off our heel, point our toe on the ground, and really twist into it. We should be feeling it in the shoulders by now. Just gently twist. It truly doesn't take Herculean effort to affect real positive change in our lives. Maybe weight loss is something that you'd like to achieve. Rather than changing what you eat, what about just replacing what you do in the evenings with a 15-minute walk after your last meal? Increases metabolism, aids in sleep and digestion, can do wonders to help us to lose a little bit of those extra pounds we may be carrying with us, particularly in the wintertime. Okay, now, hands on your hips, and let's just gently circle, really focus and feel the side, your pelvis, side, your sacrum. Really stretch it out, big circles, and let's reverse the circle. Oh, just notice. We've got a bit of the movement in this community, 10 minutes a day. That's just our starting place. Can you add a little bit of movement? Is that something that you'd like to do? A 30-second plank hold on the counter while you wait for your coffee or tea to brew. A few sit to stands while you're seated at the table. Just small, simple improvements done daily will add up and compound over time. Ooh, okay. Now, let's take the whole body and begin to circle. Come up and down. Feel yourself getting real long and tall when you come up. And bend, bring your head down. There we go. Just, really stretch out your lower back. Feel, yes. And let's reverse. one more. Brilliant. Now let's practice a bit of balance. We're gonna stretch from side to side. Bring your foot up off the ground. Feel that great stretch in the side body, in your shoulder. But let's practice balancing also. That's all we're doing the next 40 days, bringing more balance into our lives, finding the things that truly do nourish us, and replacing the ones that deplete us. Breathe in and out, in and out. One more to each side. Let's march. Bring your leg up as high as you can and reach the other arm up as high as you can. Stretch out the hip. Feel it in the shoulder and the side body. Real dynamic, full body movement. Maybe you get a little playful. You come up off your heel. Building core stability. We come up onto the ball of our foot. Continuing this beautiful balance practice. Okay, nicely done. To keep with the same theme, breathe in, reach your arms way up high, come up onto the balls of your feet, exhale. If you stumble and fall, smile, embrace the challenge. If something you're working on, you stumble and fall, accept it. Start anew the very next day. We all mess up, make mistakes, get caught up in desire and cravings. I can do better. Tomorrow, I accept that I'm human. I'm gonna make mistakes. Hallelujah. Enjoy the ride. I am gonna stumble and fall here. Last one. Reach way up. Let's hold it. Stay on the balls of your feet. Hands up high, head up. Oh, yes. Well done. Last movement of this session. Penguin from side to side. I invite you to point your toe. You come up off the ground just a tiny bit, but feel that in your ankle. We're creating flexibility, mobility in our ankle, as well as balance, core stability with this movement. Connect to your breath. Maybe you pick a spot on the horizon. Let's give it laser-like attention in a simple, moving meditation to close out today's session. Well done. Thank you for joining me for day 2 of this wonderful journey. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.